Hey guys, just want to make a quick update video in regards to the buzzing problem on these HyperX Clouds. As you can tell, these been worn for a while, but basically, if you have a problem where your microphone's buzzing and your teammates are constantly telling you that your fucking headset sucks, because they can't hear you except for a buzzing sound coming from this, all you have to do to fix it is take your microphone off, make sure the foam is on there. And basically what you want to do is bang this on the table a couple times. Do it mildly hard. Tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it. Plug it back in. And if 8 out of 10 times, that'll solve your buzzing problem. The buzzing comes back after a while. You want to do the same process again. You might want to tap it a few times. The reason why this happens, according to from what I figured out, is that apparently some condensation gets into your microphone, causing the buzzing sound. Tapping it kind of like removes that. You can also try taking your microphone off, leaving it out in the sun for a couple hours, so it dries off any like moisture that might have built up in there. But yeah, let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Hopefully this fixes a lot of you and avoid you having to buy a brand new headset or a microphone for that matter. Have a nice day.